everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you a Play Study app in the App Lab. I have already signed into the App Lab, and this is the main screen. This is study button. Its width and height is 170, and same I have done for the play button. This button. So when we click on the play button, a play screen appears, which has one slider. When we change the slider's length, different types of designs appear. So its width is 200 and its height is 24. I have kept its minimum value as 20 and maximum value as 200. And when you click on this study button, it will take you to the study screen where you can do multiplication for a number. Like you can this is the input text input box whose width is 200, height is 30. When the user types any number in it and clicks on this generate table button, whose height is 50 and width is 100, when you click on the generate table button, a multiplication table will appear on the screen, which this input text box will and this button generatable button will be hidden. So I have also kept a reset button whose width is 80 and height is 30. The function of this reset button is that it will delete the multiplication table, and it will show the text input box and also the generate table button. So let's see the coding. When we click on the run app, the first screen shown will be the main screen, and when we click on this play button, the play screen will be, and on this screen, when we change the slider's length, like any we can change change. And first of all, we have to give the commands. Pen up, we can set any pen width. The minimum, it will look nice, the more nicer. And we can give the pen color, and the when pen down command, move forward, turn right by angle 1 degree angle, and hide the pen when the design is made, because it will not look nice if the pen is also shown. So when this study button is clicked, it will the study screen will appear, and when we have to type any number in the input text box, and text input box, and we have to click on the generate table button. After clicking on the generate table button, like we have to give commands for the generatable button. For loop, and j value is equals to 1 starting value, and ending value will be 11. And text label, we have to get number for like how the multiplication tables are usually shown. Like it will appear 1 1 into multiplication sign, and the number which has been given in the text input box is equals to sign, and then the result of the multiplication. So you can also set any color, like different colors. I have set here different colors. After the multiplication table has been shown, we can hide the table input text input box, and the generate table button, because if you don't hide it, they will collapse. So let's see. And I've also kept a reset button over here, this reset button. when we click the reset button, it will show the elements, the generate table button and the and text input box, and it will delete the and it will delete all of them for the full multiplication table, and you can type any new number and it will appear the uh, new multiplication table when we click on the generate table button. Let's run the app. So when we click on the play button, the play screen appears. When we change the slider, the designs appear like this. And let's go to the study screen. When we click on the study button, it's the study screen appears first of all, and type any number. Click on the generate table button, and its multiplication table will appear. And if we click on the reset button, it appears the text input box and the generate table button. You can type any new number and click on the generate table, and the multiplication table will appear. So this is for today's video. Thank you for watching.